If you want to edit multi-camera videos in CapCut, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to bring multiple camera angles into CapCut PC, line them up properly, cut between them cleanly, and add smooth transitions if you want a more polished final result. This is a great workflow for interviews, podcasts, tutorials, reaction videos, or any project where you filmed the same moment from more than one angle. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into CapCut. First, open CapCut on your PC and click New Project. This creates a fresh timeline so you can start building your multi-camera edit from scratch. Once your project opens, look for the Import button and select all of the camera angles you want to edit. It's a good idea to import every angle at the same time so everything is ready inside the media bin before you start editing. After your clips are imported, drag each video onto its own video track in the timeline. This is really important because each camera angle needs to sit on a separate layer so you can switch between them easily. If you place them all on the same track, it becomes much harder to manage the edit cleanly. Now the next step is to align the clips using a common point. This could be a clap, an audio spike, someone starting to speak, or any visual cue that appears in every camera angle. The goal here is to line everything up so all the angles match the exact same moment in time. Zoom in on the timeline if needed and use the waveform or visual frame details to get the clips as accurate as possible. Once the clips are aligned, play through the timeline and decide where you want to switch angles. This is where the split tool becomes your best friend. Move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the camera change to happen, then use split to cut the clips at that point. Repeat this process every time you want to change from one camera angle to another. After you've made your cuts, go through and delete or trim the unwanted portions of each camera angle so that only the desired angle is visible in each section. The idea is that only one main angle should be showing at a time, while the other clips are trimmed back or removed from that section of the timeline. This is what creates the clean multi-camera effect. Take your time here, because the more precise your cuts are, the more professional the final video will look. If you want the transition between camera changes to feel smoother, you can also add transitions between cuts. CapCut gives you different transition options that can help soften hard cuts and make the change feel more natural. Just remember, for interviews or talking head videos, simple transitions usually work best. A quick fade or subtle cross dissolve often looks cleaner than something flashy or distracting. As you keep editing, play the video back from the beginning and check that every angle switch happens smoothly and at the right moment. If something feels off, just adjust the split point or trim the clip a little more until it looks right. This is the part where patience really pays off. Once your multi-camera edit looks good, you can move on to the rest of your finishing touches like text, audio cleanup, music, or color adjustments if needed. But the core process is exactly this. Import your angles, place each one on its own track, align them, split where you want to switch, and trim away the unused sections. That's the fastest way to edit multi-camera videos in CapCut without getting overwhelmed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.